Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, as long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about basic definite integral. This is a matter of using our simple algebra, especially for the index laws. And most of all, we don't forget also our formula from differential calculus because most of the time, we will use differential calculus. Okay? So I have on the board, integral from negative 2 to 0. So take note, negative 2 is less than of 0 because 0 is greater than negative 2. Because if you will make a number line, so always 0 will be at the middle of the negative integers and positive integers, while negative 2 is before 0. Okay? So I will assume u will be equal to inside the radical, so 2x squared plus 1. Then differentiating left side, differentiating right side. Derivative of u is du. Derivative of 2x squared, that will be 4x. Then plus 0, I will write circle brackets, then this will be dx. Okay, so du is equals to 4x dx. Then I will divide 4 both sides. So at the right side, 4 will be crossed out. So du over 4 is equals to x dx. Okay? So meaning, this x dx will be equal to du over 4. So I have the integral from negative 2 to 0. So this will be u raised to 1/2 power. Then dx, x dx, that will be du over 4. Okay, so since 1/4 is a constant, so I need to isolate from the integrand. So meaning I will place outside. So 1/4. Then integral from negative 2 to 0. Then I have now u raised to 1/2 du. Okay, so take note. U n then du. So this will be u n plus 1 over n plus 1, then this will be plus c. So since our n plus 1, right, is equals to 1 over 2, then plus 1. So LCD will be 2. Divide, it is 1 times 1 is 1, plus 2 divided by 1, that is 2 times 1, that is 2. So I've got 3 halves or 3 over 2. So I have now 1 over 4 times u raised to 3 halves power. Whatever our exponent, in the numerator will be our denominator. So 3 halves. Then limits from negative 2 to 0. So simplify this one. So this will be 1 over 4 times upside down of 3 halves. So that will be 2 over 3. Then this will be u raised to the 3 halves power, limits from negative 2 to 0. Okay? So this one divide by 2, that is 1. Divide by 2, that is 2. So I have now 1 over 6. Then this will be u raised to the 3 halves power, limits from negative 2 to 0. So what is the value of u? Let's go back to the assumption. So this will be 1 over 6. Then circle brackets 2x squared. 2x squared plus 1 raised to the 3 halves power, then limits from negative 2 to 0. Okay? So I will plug in using this formula, f of b minus f of a. So this will be our upper limit, then this will be our LL, lower limit. So take note, subtraction, higher minus lower. So this will be 1 over 6, then square brackets, then I will use open brace 2 times 0 squared plus 1, then enclose with squared brace. This will be 3 halves minus, because minus, then open brace 2 times negative 2 squared plus 1, then raised to 3 halves power. So this will be enclosed with square brackets. Just follow the arrow. So 1 over 6. Then square brackets. 2 times 0, right? Then plus 1. Then this will be enclosed with 3 halves. Then minus, open brace, 2, negative 2 squared, that will be positive 4. Then plus 1. Then I have now 3 halves. Then enclosed with square brackets. So this will be 1 over 6 square brackets. So this will be 0 plus 1 raised to the 3 halves power minus circle brackets 8 plus 1, that is 9, raised to the 3 halves power enclosed with square brackets. So 1 over 6. So how do we solve this one? This will be 1 raised to 1/2 times 3 minus 9 raised to 1/2 times 3. So this will be 1 over 6 circle brackets 1/2, that will be square root of 1, that will be 1. 1 cube. 1 cube is equals to still 1. So I have now 1 minus. What is square root of 9? Take note, 9 raised to 1/2 is equivalent to square root of 9. And we know that square root of 9 is 3. Then 3 raised to the power of 3. Okay? So that will be 1 over 6 circle brackets 1, 3 raised to the third power, that will be 3 times 3 times 3. So this will be 27. So this will be minus 27. So this will be equal to 1 over 6 minus 26, because 1 minus 7. So this will be equal to negative 26 over 6. Then reduce to lowest term, divide by 2. So this will be negative 13. Divide by 2, that is 3. Wait, divide by 2, that is 3. Divide by 2, that is negative 13. Okay? So this will be now my final answer of integral from negative 2 to 0. The integrand is x times square root of 2x squared plus 1 dx is equal to negative 13 over 3. I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.